If you don't have leads, you don't have a business. And that's not an exaggeration, because you see, leads become the customers or the clients that become the revenues, that become the profits in your business. So how do you actually get these leads? Today, we're going to teach you how to generate your first 100 leads for your business for free. So let us get started. What do you need? First, you're going to need a website. Very quickly, you do need a website. You can use social media, but if social media is going to be the place where you do most of your marketing, you can consider social media to be your storefront. Your website is going to be your cash register. We're not going to teach you how to build a website right now. There are multiple website development tutorials that you can follow, even as a beginner, right here on our YouTube channel. And you can also go to kiss.zelhan.com to get a conversion ready, sales ready website and online business actually set up in just a few minutes, like literally 30 minutes from start to finish, and you have an online business with email marketing, lead gen, and everything in between. Speaking of lead gen, how do you get the leads now that you have a beautiful website? Well, second thing that you're going to need to have on your website to start generating leads so you can get sales is a lead magnet. Now, here's how the lead magnet is going to work. The lead magnet is something of value that you give to your ideal client or customer that has visited your website. You give it to them for free. It has to be something that they would pay for, something that helps them solve a problem that you solve, that they come to you to get solved. And it also has to be something that is easy to use for them to get maximum value. Your lead magnet is even going to build trust with your ideal client, which will lead to the next step. Now that you have prepared your lead magnet, you're going to need a high converting landing page. Now, you don't need all of pages on your website to be working well. You just need one. And this one page is going to be your landing page where you're going to put your lead magnet. Now, here's what your landing page needs to do for you so that it can be of help for your business. First is that it needs to communicate the value of your lead magnet. That's the first thing. The second thing that it needs to do is it needs to communicate the value and benefits of your business in solving a problem that your lead magnet solves. And three, it needs to collect those emails, contact numbers, and so on, so that you can keep in contact with your ideal client or customer that is now a lead in your business. Now that we have the landing page, we have the lead and lead magnet, and we have the website, how do we start generating about 100 leads? Here are a few ways real quick. You can use social media to promote your lead magnet. You can use social media to promote your business, and this will help you to get some traffic. After social media, you can use, believe it or not, word of mouth, footers in your emails that you send for your business, everything that you use to communicate or add value to your ideal client or customer, be it email, phone call, business cards, face-to-face, you can use that to communicate the value of your lead magnet and link to your landing page. You can also do Google ads, Meta ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, PPC ads in general. And you can also get affiliate marketers, referral marketers. You can get social media influencers. You can get radio, TV, and newspaper ads. Anything that gets your lead magnet in front of your ideal client and links back to your website or refers your website and its landing page is going to help you to get those leads. Now that you have leads coming in from your landing page, what's the next step? The next step is that you're going to use email marketing to build a relationship with your leads. Now, here's the thing about email marketing. We have done a complete tutorial from start to finish, 0 to pro, basically, on email marketing. So you can watch that tutorial here. The other thing is that, like I said, you can go to kiss.zelhan.com to get our sales ready, conversion ready website and marketing kits or templates that you can use to set up an online business in about 30 minutes. Believe it or not, they come with email marketing, like literally the lead magnet, the landing page, and email marketing drip sequences to nurture and build a relationship with your leads that is going to lead to them becoming customers. I've said lead quite a lot, but that's the value that you're going to be getting from Zelhan with the Zelhan kit and our free tutorials that are on our YouTube channel. So go ahead and check those out. Matter of fact, that tutorial on how to use email marketing to generate leads and clients and customers is right here. Check it out.